Meaning of gasworks.
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 Gasworks. Gasworks refers to a place that produces gas for heating or lighting purposes. Historically, gasworks were used in cities to produce gas from coal, which was then piped into homes and businesses for use in gas lamps and stoves. However, with the advent of other energy sources, the need for gasworks has diminished. Today, many gasworks have been repurposed as museums, parks, or residential areas. Despite their less frequent use, gasworks remain an important part of industrial history and have shaped the way we approach energy production and distribution today.